Hello, everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of The Strapped. I hope all of you are doing great. Today, in this episode, I am going to cover some of the other topic which I mentioned in my previous video, but could not cover those because we wanted to do it in a segmented way. So today I'm going to talk more about the aerospace industry in India and the opportunities for uh, students and the professionals in this field. So if you remember that in previous episode I have talked about the aviation industry and the aviation industry's opportunities, including the pilot training, cabin crew training, also the opportunities for the aircraft maintenance engineers as well as for the ATCOs. Uh, if you have missed that episode, please go and watch that. It was a very insightful discussion, and today I am going to cover more about the other segment of the aerospace industry, which is beyond the aviation, which we could always uh, you know uh, explore in terms of what are the other opportunities that are available, and the various studies and future growth opportunities. So uh, let me dive deep into that. uh, so other than aerospace, other than the aviation industry, there is a very vast field of uh, aerospace industry, which includes the uh, aviation part of the uh, the defense aviation, also part of the defense and uh, aeronautics and the space industry. So when we talk about all that, so what is the requirement for that? So it's a very interesting industry, uh, because this uh, aerospace is a field or a stream which kind of covers everything. It covers the mechanical systems, mechanical components. It covers the propulsion. It covers the structural uh, piece of it. It also covers the electronics and the communication, apart from that, the software. So it's a vast industry which uh, kind of take everything together and develop various products or services within the aerospace industry. So when I talk about the aerospace industry, the first thing what I would say that uh, how you can get into this industry. The first thing is uh, there are many engineering courses available today. Uh, in earlier days, there were very limited opportunities. Only a few IITs and MIT. Apart from that, the Aeronautical Society of India, uh, which used to provide the aeronautical engineering degree. But now, almost all the major universities and all the major colleges, they provide either aerospace engineering or the aeronautical engineering courses. Uh, so when you go for either aerospace or aeronautical engineering courses from any of those recognized institutes and universities, they are AICTE approved, and the requirement is obviously plus 2, class 12, uh, which includes the PCM, physics, chemistry, math in your uh, plus two. So this is like any other regular engineering courses. So you can uh, after graduating, you can either join one of the aerospace organizations. There are various government organizations. Apart from that, also a huge industry outside of government organizations, which requires the uh, trained and qualified engineers. So you can join there, or you can also continue your studies for MTech by completing your gate exams in India and qualifying the gates, and then go for MTech. Or you can, if you are interested to go into the management field, there is also quite a few premier institutes which provide the management in aviation. So you can go for those courses as well. And apart from in India, you can also explore opportunities outside India. There are quite a few uh, you know uh, very well known uh, universities like INSEAD or Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in US. So they provide further the MS and you know uh, uh, advanced courses, studies for the uh, aerospace engineering. So you can choose from a vast array of different fields which you want to go. uh, Apart from that, there is vast scope for uh, research as well, in terms of some of the premier research organizations in India, like in ISRO, uh, NAL, uh, also to some extent, HL, universities like ISC, uh, IITs. So they really do some great research work on this field in aerospace. So you can opt for those opportunities as well. Now, so far I have been covering about the aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering portion. So let me clarify here that aeronautical and aerospace, sometimes we use it interchangeably. uh, there are little bit of difference in terms of the focus on certain subjects or certain areas where you focus on. uh, so based on that, we kind of differentiate that. uh, Apart from that, so is it like if you are only an aeronautical engineer or aerospace engineer that you can really opt for this opportunities or get into these opportunities? So as I mentioned that this aerospace industry is a vast field, right? This is one, probably the unique field, I would say, or unique stream, which takes kind of everything, all the knowledge of different engineering streams together. So, and not only the engineering, even the pure science part of it as well. So so if you are an engineering graduate from any other field, say from computer science or from data science or from mechanical or electronics, so you still have a lot of opportunities within the aerospace domain, because this industry requires knowledge of, or the specialist in every field of uh, the entire aerospace gamut. Okay. So, and also you also require the research on the pure science uh, side as well, like coming out with uh, specific kind of materials or specific kind of technology which requires a lot of research on, say, physics or on the metallurgy, um, or chemistry. So that provides a great opportunity for the people who might not be uh, an engineer or an aeronautical engineer, but still they have a great opportunity to flourish, come in and flourish in this industry. So, having said that, in previous episode, I have covered the uh, aviation section. Today, I'm covering the other portions of the aerospace industry. So, my intention of providing this knowledge sessions were to educate uh, the upcoming workforce, the future generation, the students and their parents, as well as the skilled professionals, to explore different opportunities which can really do wonder for them, as well as create the great workforce, great knowledge base for this industry in India. Because as this industry is just growing, I mentioned earlier that this industry is growing, so you can really do wonder in this industry going forward. And apart from that, also I would like to mention briefly here that you know by studying aeronautical engineering, or uh, want want to get into the defense industry, so you also have the opportunity to not only get into the defense industry, but also serve in the defense forces in various capacities, and you know you can become like a really a knowledge uh, base, or the authority of your own field, be it the piloting, be it the engineering side of it. So you can really have great uh, great opportunities and possibilities in this field. And as we always say that sky is not just the limit. So please feel free to explore the opportunities. And if you want me to talk about and more details about any of the specific areas, uh, please feel free to reach out to me through comments or through email. You can also reach out to me over email for any specific inputs you might be requiring for uh, deciding about your future course of action. Feel free to reach out to me in the email id given in the description. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and looking forward for a new topic in the upcoming video. Keep watching this episodes, and keep watching for this space. Thank you.